Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some amazing DIYs to share with you. They're simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I've done today, just keep on watching. For my first DIY, I'm going to be using some popsicle sticks that I picked up from Dollar Tree, as well as these mirror stickers that I picked up from Amazon, and I'll leave a link below if you'd like to purchase some for yourselves. These mirror stickers have a plastic film on them, so I need to remove that so that I could lay down my last sticker. Now I'm just going to line up some diamond vase filler on the inside of my popsicle sticks. And guys, whenever I can, I'll purchase these from the Dollar Tree, but if I can't find them there, I'll just purchase them from Amazon. Now I'm just going to go in with my hot glue gun and glue them down. Right here you see me combining two panels together by adding another layer of diamonds. Next I'll be using this old Dollar Tree coaster that I had from a previous project, and I'm just going to be repainting it gray with just some regular craft paint. Now it's just time to assemble everything. For my next DIY, I'm going to be using this plastic container from Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to be using this clear Elmer's glue, and I'm just going to coat the inside of the container with the glue. I'm primarily focusing on the lower half of the container. Next, I'll be using this imitation silver leaf that I picked up from Amazon. So now I'm just going to take a little bit more of that clear glue and brush it over the top, kind of to create a gradient effect. And yeah. Now I'm going to set this aside and begin to work on the top portion of this project. And for this, I'm just going to use a Dollar Tree mirror that I already had. I'll be using popsicle sticks to outline the sides of my mirror. Now I'm just going to add another row of popsicle sticks over top of the ones I placed down before. I'm going to be using this self-adhesive bling that I picked up from Amazon. Now I'll be using this slightly larger gauge bling to cover the bottom of my container. Next, I'm going to make a topper, and what I'm going to do is just use this jewel that I had already from eFavormart. I'm also going to be using about 4 of these Dollar Tree vase fillers, and so I have here some parchment paper, and I'm just going to make a topper on the parchment paper first, and then I will place it on top of my lid. And here's what it looks like. I love it. What do you guys think? Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this little video because I enjoyed making it for you. If you have enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up as well as hitting that subscription button and the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.